Hey everyone, today let's talk about how to change your Walmart pickup location after placing an order. Stick around till the end to learn more. Let's get started. To change your Walmart pickup location online, visit walmart.com link in the description and enter your details to log into your account. From the home page, navigate to Purchase History and click Edit Items. You'll see several edit options. Select a different store location and save the changes. Walmart will now deliver the purchase to the new pickup location. If you encounter any challenges during the process, contact Walmart Customer Care Service at 1-800-925-6278 or 1-800-WALMART. The phone number is in the description. State your issue, and they'll offer you the necessary assistance. Please note that you can only change the pickup location for an order if it's still being processed. After order dispatch, you might be unable to access the edit option. Always be careful to input the correct information as you place the order. And there you have it. Follow these steps to change your Walmart pickup location after placing an order. Thanks for watching. Until next time.